XKJ Group is a mechanical, intelligent manufacturing enterprise in the design, production, sales, installation, training, and EPC turnkey services of mining equipment. We provide high-quality series products and production line technical solutions to its clients. The XKJ Intelligent Leaching and Beneficiation production process and mineral processing equipment, which includes the crushing and screening of raw ore, grinding and classification, leaching, concentration and dewatering, the elution electrolysis and smelting, etc. These processes can meet the deep decomposition and purification treatment of gold ore. The raw ore is unloaded into the raw ore buffer bin by mine carts. The vibrating feeder under the bin evenly feeds the ore into the jaw crusher for primary crushing. After pre-crushing, the minerals are conveyed by a belt conveyor to a vibrating screen, where the material is screened according to the design requirements. The qualified material is directly sent to the fine ore bin. The oversized ore is conveyed by a belt conveyor to a cone crusher for secondary crushing. After crushing, the ore is returned to the vibrating screen for secondary screening until it meets the required size. The belt conveyor with a metal detector and electromagnetic iron remover to continuously detect and remove iron substances from the conveyed materials. The vibrating feeder is configured at the bottom of the fine ore bin to uniformly feed the fine ore into a wet grid type ball mill for primary grinding via a belt conveyor. The mill with an intelligent lubrication system to ensure the stable operation of the transmission system. The discharge from the ball mill is conveyed through pipelines to a spiral classifier. The classifier separates the ground ore based on the settling velocity of solid particles. Fine particles overflow, while coarse particles settle at the bottom and are pushed upwards by the spiral for discharge. Unqualified material is returned to the ball mill for regrinding. After secondary grinding, the material enters a pump box and is pumped to a high-efficiency hydrocyclone for secondary classification. Unqualified material enters the secondary ball mill for further grinding. The secondary ball mill is driven by a conventional motor with high energy efficiency, stable performance, strong adaptability, and uniform product particle size, enabling continuous production. Unqualified material enters a slag removal sieve, and the screen material enters a thickener for concentration. The overflow clear water from the thickener is returned to the grinding system for recycling. The sedimented material at the bottom of the thickener enters a pump box and is pumped to a double impeller cyanide leaching adsorption tank group. An automatic dowsing machine intelligently and accurately adds chemicals to the leaching tank according to the production requirements. The leaching tank with double mixing impeller and airlifter, which can fully mix the mineral material in the tank, keeping the slurry in a suspended state and maintaining a high dissolved oxygen content. After the leaching reaction, the activated carbon inside the leaching tank becomes saturated gold-loaded carbon, which is conveyed to the elution electrolysis system's carbon storage tank. The tailings slurry from the adsorption tank is screened by a safety screen and then sent to the tailings pond for treatment. The saturated gold-loaded carbon in the carbon storage tank enters an intelligent integrated elution column, where the pregnant solution is eluted and conveyed through a pipeline to a heating column. The regenerated activated carbon can be reused in the cyanide leaching absorption tank. The pregnant solution is heated in the heating column and then enters a filter for filtration before entering the electrowinning tank. The gold ore and barren solution are separated by the internal steel wool, and the barren solution is returned to the elution column for recycling. The gold-loaded steel wool enters the gold powder smelting process to complete the purification treatment of gold. His production line is highly intelligent and integrated with advanced performance, enabling digital and visual centralized control of the entire production process. XKJ provides industry clients with a one-stop mineral processing system solution.